Application Example 1. Standard setting for manual solar protection control. We want to control the solar protection actuator N543 manually and consider which settings are to be made. First, I insert a solar protection actuator N543 from the online catalog into the prepared ETS project. If I display the list of objects in the default setting, you will see that all functions for manual operation are already preset. The up-down motion objects and the stop, open-close slat adjustment. They are also already grouped into the 8 channels of the actuator as function blocks, which is advantageous for later assignment work. Note and remember the names of these objects: manual mode sun protection or manual mode stop slats. A quick glance at the parameter structure of this application program shows that no further settings need to be made for the simple standard application, despite the extensive possibilities, and that no further unnecessary objects are displayed. Manual operation is enabled, all other options are locked. A word about objects 1 and 2. Send device function status and status values. These objects are identical for all new devices, but do not necessarily have to be used. The device function status object is a collective signal over the entire actuator. It represents a life check. If this message is used, for example in a visualization, it is easy to determine which actuators are okay and which have a problem. The second object, send status values, is a trigger. If a telegram is sent to this object, all active status messages in the actuator are returned. There is an adjustable bus load limitation setting to avoid bus overload at this point. Now we're at the end of this application example. Thanks for listening and good luck. Coming up, how are the travel timers set correctly?